Hey guys, ever come home at night and you can't see where to put the key on your door because it's wicked dark out and you can't see? Well, I have a solution. This is a wireless light. You can do it yourself. Real easy, real cheap. I'm going to show you how to do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's put some light on this. Let's watch. Hey, thanks for tuning in for another episode of Your Review Channel. Today I'm talking about an outdoor light sensor. I don't know how many of you have come home and you try to get into your front door and you can't see the damn lock. I mean, it's just awful. You got your key out, your light's not on outside, there's no way to put lights on, you can't see, you gotta get a flashlight, you're using a lighter, and you're trying to put the key in the door and you can't see. It's annoying. So I think this is a really cool solution. So I picked this up, really inexpensive. I think they're like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, whatever it is, but I think it's gonna solve a huge problem I have, which is unable to see the key when I come home. You know, the lock, and you're trying to unlock the door, you can't see the lock, it's annoying. You come home at night, it's raining out, it's snowing out, whatever. No matter where you live, I don't care if it's a hurricane, you want to get into your house quickly and you can't see. I think this is a solution. Take some batteries, LED lights, has a little sensor on top here. So it's a motion detector up to 15 feet, has a light sensor, detects darkness, and also detects daylight. So during the daylight, it won't go on, which is kind of cool. At nighttime, it knows when it's night out, right? So it has a night sensor, and it goes on when it needs to go on. Stays on for like, I think you can adjust the time, maybe it's 10, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever. I don't care. All it needs is a few seconds to put the key in the lock and open the door, and that's it. You can also put these on your walkway. So I don't know if you can see that, you can set them to your walkway. They come with little spikes. You can put them on your spike in your walkway or up and down your stairs. I'm gonna put this near my door so I can see. So they show you, give you some kind of explanation here so you can see there's some imaging so you can see a doorway entry, and that's where I got the idea from. I saw this and I'm saying this is a really cool idea because you can't see. It's so annoying, and you can mount this. I think it comes with like a two-way sticky tape, whatever. There's no wiring. You don't have to use it. You don't need an electrician. There's no hassle. Slim, sleek design. So let's just do a quick opening and unboxing of this. Any questions or any comments, leave below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me out as always. I do appreciate it. I hope you do enjoy my reviews. I do enjoy doing them to bring some ideas that I have, also some products and some ideas, and just, you know, because you come across different things and issues, and I'm trying to come up with, solve these problems because you just can't see. You know, if you're going up the stairs, you don't want to fall. You know, just the simple solutions to, sometimes it looks like a complicated problem, but it's really not a complicated problem. It just seems like it. All right, so sorry I made so much noise. Please don't try this at home. No, I'm just teasing. All right, there we go. Oh, wow. Wow. All right, so I got it out. All right, so let's take a look at this. Sorry for making so much noise. I don't mean to do that. So it does come with these sticks like I was telling you. Okay, so these sticks go into the ground. Okay, let's see how they look. Yeah, all right, so how it works. So these sticks go into the ground, so you can see here, so these are like little spikes. You put these in the ground if you want to put these on the ground for your lights. And also they have extensions, so this goes into here as well, so you can see, comes like a little extension pole, and then you can put this in the ground too. So you can do this, so you have a little bit longer stick like this here, and the light attaches right here. So you can have these actually outside your patio, outside your front door, on your lawn, however you want to do it. So let's see. All right, so that takes care of that. So that comes with two of these that you put the lights on. They stick right on because they're self-adhesive, and two of these lawn sticks if you want them to stick in the lawn. So that's pretty self-explanatory, right? But I'm gonna mount this right to the door, near the door, just like you saw in that picture. So let's take a look. So they give you two. I only need one. So maybe I'll use one for our back door. So let's take a look. Okay, so it is nice quality plastic. It's small. I mean, look how small that is. It's got the 3 LED lights right here. Okay, so what happens, it picks up the motion, the light goes off, and you can see where you put the key. Hey guys, just want to thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe. It does help support my channel. I do appreciate that. And I hope you're enjoying the video, how to put an extra light outside so you can see where to put the key. Back to the video. And we're going to test that out. We're going to look at it together. And let's just see how you can open this up. So to open it up, you just slide it open. Let's see. Slide it open. And of course, you need a small screwdriver, which I have to get, I don't have with me. Take these little screws out. And if you ask me, it looks like AAA's. I'll double check. All right, guys, let's put these batteries in. Let's open this up and take a look at it and see what we have. My little handy dandy screwdriver set. And these things are quite awesome as well. I'll leave a link down below where you can find these kind of lights, screwdriver if you need it, a small screwdriver. These are real. I like the screwdriver, it's really easy to use. And always put the screws in the little case so you don't lose the screws. And they are small screws, so you don't want to lose the screws. I put them right in here, one at a time. Yeah, if you have any questions or comments, leave down below. If you have a different solution for outside lights, leave down below, let me know. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help support my channel and keeps me doing what I'm doing to inform and teach you how to do things. Okay, so let's open this up. And another screwdriver. I think it had to be a, let's see. Oh, okay, so here it is. So this is the inside. Got it finally. And it is weathertight. There's a little rubber seal that goes around here. Okay, and so 3 AAA batteries. So let's put those in. 1, 2, and where's the third one over here? Okay, 3, and there you go. So look at that, how that works. That is so cool. I like this. This is really a really great solution. Those batteries will probably last quite a few years. And then we'll put the screws back in. Okay, so this helps keep a watertight seal, keeps the moisture out so the batteries don't become corrosive too early, and keeps out any insects and pests as well, because it is outdoors. So let's put that like that. Let's put these little screws back. Okay guys, so I put the screws back. So it's not going on now because it's detecting light. So let's shut the lights off. And hopefully the computer doesn't put enough light off to make it doesn't go off. So let's see, shut the lights off. So this hopefully this simulates darkness. Let's see if it does or not. It might be too bright in here. Let me shut the light off 1 second. I want to simulate darkness and see how this works. Okay, well, that's pretty dark now. Nope, and there it goes. So it goes right on, you can see. So it went right on. Okay, so it detected motion, and actually pretty bright. Pretty bright, and that's awesome. So that'll just give you some nice downlight. So if you put this on your door, it'll just give you some light so you can put the key in the door and unlock the door. And that's it. So we're gonna mount this. It comes with some, put the lights on so you can see. So this comes with a 2-way tape mounting. So it has 3M tape mount. Okay, that goes on the back, and that slides right up just like that. Okay, so you mount this piece to the wall, on the glass, anything you want to mount it. This thing will stick pretty much anywhere. It's really, really sticky, and it slides off. So when you want to change the battery again, the mount can stay on the wall. This slides off, and you can get in and out real easy. So that's it. So let's mount this outside, take a look at the key area, and take a look and see how that looks. All right, guys, what do you think so far? Give me a thumbs up if you like this product. I think it's a great idea, especially when you're out and trying to get in the house and it's dark and you just can't see. All right, I'm gonna take the camera outside. I'm gonna mount this, and we're gonna take a quick look and see how it works. So the other option is putting it over here. So when you walk in, it'll give you some light, just enough to see what's going on. So let's take a look at that real quick. See, it doesn't really light up the area what I want. See, it really has to be more like over here for it to work correctly. And that's in your eyes. So I went back and forth quite a few times. I was quite annoyed back and forth, trying to figure out the best place to put the light. It didn't go on the side, just wasn't on the right angle wasn't correct. That angle wasn't correct as well. The door wouldn't close correctly, so I had to really put it over the cylinder basically, and that works the best. And you can end up painting it and just match the door if you want to. It's easy access. It's behind the screen door, so you don't see it anyway when the door is closed, and it worked perfectly. All right, let's get back into the video. Over the lock, honestly, it gives much more visibility over the lock, as you can see here. Look at this. Check this out. At least you can see the lock, right? When you get up close to the door, you can see where the lock is. It's super easy to open up. Key fits right in. You can see where the key goes. It lights up the whole corner over here. I know it's hard to see with the reflection, but believe me, it does work this way. It works perfect. This is the best way to do it. As you can see, it lights up the bottom here. It's hard to see, but this works perfectly. So I put it on the door. I didn't want to mount it over here. I think this is a better angle for it. It gives me more light. As you can see, it lights up the whole area here, so you can put the key in You see where it goes? It's perfect. It's small enough if you want to paint this the color of the door, you can. It works fine. It goes behind the door. No one really sees it behind the storm door. It works perfect. All right, guys. So this is what we're doing. This is what I went with. I changed my mind altogether. I put it on the door. You can mount it wherever works for you the best. I think it mounts pretty good here. This is the way I'm doing it. All right, guys. I appreciate it one more time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you at the next review.